Finally, cryptocurrency. Let's go to Bitcoin. Wow. We now managed to break through the 65. Whoa, it's $27,000 now. Where are we heading? I'm done buying. I accumulated most of my Bitcoin investment around this 22, 23 area. Now I'm done buying on that. What I'll do is just stay patient now. Will I trade it? Yeah, arguably could have traded on Wednesday, but I didn't trade it. I'm not big trading on Bitcoin, meaning that I only invest on that. I see price come to around the 40k or maybe 40 something area to take profit for my investment. I do not see Bitcoin breaking the previous high this year. All right, reason I said that is I see this year more like the 2019 area. So what happened in 2019, you can see. One thing that I would like to point out with IG, you can collect here at the bottom through here. Bop. See, we're now 2018 through this area here. Okay, now this is 2019 area, April, bam, until June time. Yeah, so had a rally and then retrace back, and then the real rally came from 2020 to 2021. So I think next year will be the real move. Therefore, I'm not planning to, 100k, 200k, whatever ridiculous number that you may hear in the near future. Usually the case that when Bitcoin starts to rally to 30, 35, 38, maybe breaking 40, something like that, and then suddenly the biggest bullish bar, let me just get it's the biggest bullish bar if you see that, and then the news or whoever come out to CNBC, Bloomberg say, yeah, we see Bitcoin breaking through 68k, 100k, but you see a lot of buying through that week. What I do is usually just sell everything. That's how I use fundamental. All right. When it's too much hype in the market, I usually take profit. When there's a lot of fear at the end of the downtrend, and suddenly the biggest selling bar, and someone come out on the news said that China's gonna ban Bitcoin forever, or US is gonna do whatever, or aliens going to attack Bitcoin, that's the time I buy. That's just very, very simple over the Warren Buffett quote. Buy on fear, sell on hype. Okay, so that's the way that I use fundamental mixed with technical analysis. Plan no change, around 40k is my profit on Bitcoin. Ethereum, we are seeing it breaking higher, which is nice. We want to see they do similar thing, finally breaking through the 1700 target around. So best way to do it is use a weekly chart to see where the next resistance area is. So that's quite a lot of interaction around the 3000. That would be definitely my first target. Could it break about a bit higher, 3,500? It could, I'm not saying. So between 3,000, 3,500 would be my profit area on Ethereum. Okay, so that's all for me this week. Just a quick recap. I probably see S&P 500 testing the 3,800 area first before the next bullish one kicks in. Dollar may see a pullback. I still want to be a seller of dollar. Pound is top of my list, and gold is top of my list to buy. Cryptocurrency, no change. I'm still holding on to my investment. I'll look to take profit maybe in May, June time. So we still got like 2-3 months window through that. So happy to hold. If you do have any question, drop me a comment. Don't forget, if you like what you see today, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. That will help us on our channel tremendously. Thank you very much, and see you guys next week.